Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Donyi Polo Airport at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Kashi Tamil Sangamam in Varanasi today. Minister of Tourism and Minister of CNRD lays the foundation stone for hospitality complex and new office building of Thalasken CNRD block. And Meghalaya BJP inaugurates a party office at Jail Road, Shillong. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today stressed that development projects are no longer halted or delayed. He said the government has brought a work culture of laying the foundation stone and also inaugurating the projects. After inaugurating the Donyi Polo Airport at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh, Mr. Modi said the government has ensured on-time completion of all the undertaken development projects. The airport is equipped with ultra-modern facilities to ensure all-weather operations. Modi said the name of the airport is given after Donyi and Polo. Donyi means the sun, whereas Polo means the moon. The sun is hot and the moon is cool, both fulfilling the facets of development.
और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मुझे आपकी हाजिरी में लाखों लोगों की साक्षी में पूरा अरुणाचल आज ऑनलाइन जुड़ा हुआ है, पूरा अरुणाचल जुड़ा हुआ है। ये भी एक बड़े गर्व की बात है। आज न अभी यहां कोई चुनाव है, न कोई चुनाव आने वाला है, उसके बावजूद भी हो रहा है, क्योंकि आज देश में जो सरकार है उसकी प्राथमिकता देश का विकास है, देश के लोगों का विकास है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kashi Tamil Sangamam in Varanasi today. The Sangamam took off on Thursday when first batch of around 200 delegates started their visit from Tamil Nadu and reached yesterday night at Varanasi railway station. A rousing welcome was given to them at the station. The Sangamam is being organized by the Government of India as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and to uphold the spirit of Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. The objective of Sangamam is to rediscover, reaffirm and celebrate the age-old link between Tamil Nadu and Kashi, two of the country's most important and ancient seats of learning. Minister of Tourism's Nyao Bhalang Dhar and Minister of CNRD Hamlet Darling yesterday laid the foundation stone for hospitality complex and new office building of Thalasken CNRD block at a function held at Thalasken Lake. The new office building for Thalasken CNRD block will be constructed at the cost of 3 crores. The hospitality complex will be constructed on the land given by the Fishery Department to Tourism Department. And the resort will be constructed on the land given by the Mukla Dorbar Pillun at an estimated approximately 36 crores. Addressing the function, Nyao Bhalang informed that this will bring great help for youth of the district and more than 200 youths will be employed in different sections through this complex.
Siguro ni MRT project kawito rong iwan construction of hospitality complex sa Thalasken ini. The project wato kuwan ra naga Department of Tourism kawiwan ke block building yung ni block warin ko ang kaman kani ni ba siguro og block dayo debo ligit na umigos debo sa digitin di extension to you dito for what new buildings.
The BJP, which has failed to make any significant mark in the state politics till date, is confident that the party would win around 35 seats in the polls, even as 5 sitting MLAs look all set to join BJP in December. Speaking to media persons after inaugurating a party office in Jail Road, BJP State President Ernest Maury confirmed that 3 sitting MLAs will join the party in the first week of December, while 2 more sitting MLAs are holding discussion with the party. Maury said that they are from TMC and other parties. In North Shillong, there is Ms. M. Kharkrang and Michael Karsantia who are eyeing a ticket from BJP, and it would be interesting to see whom does the party select as its candidate from the constituency.
Very good and fantastic. Our beloved President, that this office will remain here till after 2023. Doesn't mean that election is completed. We have won the seat and this office will be closed. This office will continue to remain. For the simple reason that the elected member from North Shillong constituency, he will come here and meet the people from this side, and there are sometimes that he will be the other side. I will not expect the people from here to come all the way to the other side to voice your grievances, to meet your MLA. This is going to be a permanent office of the BJP.
5 pressure groups under the umbrella Save Hinyotrep mission yesterday held a peaceful rally which was started from Mi Mintadu to Yao Musyang Market and ended with a public meeting to agitate against state government on their pending demands, which include the implementation of the Inner Line Permit Reservation Policy and the recent MOU signed under the first phase of border talks with Assam. These pressure groups comprised of Hinyotrep Youth Council, East Jantia National Council, Jantia Students Movement, Hinyotrep Achik National Movement and the Confederation of Ribhoi People. Besides ILP, the demands of the 5 pressure groups include the immediate relocation of the Harijan colony from Them Yom Maulong, repealing of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 and others. Trinamool Congress is busy campaigning on various issues regarding the assembly elections to be held in next year. The party General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee is in Tura campaigning for Trinamool Congress for the last few days. On Thursday, he inaugurated the TMC party office in Tura in presence of Mukul Sangma. TMC is campaigning on issue of the inclusion of Garo and Kashi language in the 8th schedule and has included in its election agenda. When asked about the views of TMC on ILP, Banerjee said that a resolution on ILP has already been passed in the State Assembly, and if the party comes to power, it will think about it. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 23%, while in the evening was 55%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Donyi Polo Airport at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Kashi Tamil Sangamam in Varanasi today. Minister of Tourism and Minister of CNRD lays the foundation stone for hospitality complex and new office building of Thatlasken CNRD block. And Meghalaya BJP inaugurates a party office at Jail Road, Shillong. That's all we have in the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.